This is
What do we got here?
We've got our special frog.
Special
I mean, a frog is special anyway.
Yeah.
But this one is...
This one's a bit more custom, isn't it?
This was a custom build by Brett for one of our very, very special customers. Although I don't think he's seen it yet.
Oh, he'll see it now, won't he?
Oh, he won't be.
It's got a special edition right there.
It's got the Blockhead Motors special frog front bumper.
Yes, and a nice
And
TRF blue.
TRF blue, which is an appropriate one for this particular person. I won't say that his name is Damien Dixon.
No, it's probably best to keep it.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Damien is a TRF freak, very much so. So the car was painted by me in a cartoon version of Mark Reinhardt's TRF paint scheme, which is the pink with the blue, and I replicated the flames and stuff, and the wing is done with the TRF logo, but not in a straight style, very much in the current cartoony style, which most of you will have seen. I did on Brett's Dogfighter a while back.
Now, from this distance, I'm sure that most people would look at that and think, "Oh, look, looks like a sticker."
Yeah.
If you get closer, this is actually all hand.
Yeah.
Freestyle.
Yeah. Freestyle.
Isn't it? Look at that. And that's part of this.
That's part of the aesthetic.
Yes.
Making it look like it's also very good because it's very loose, and there was no marking on this car. Everything was just freehand airbrush, and it doesn't really matter that you go over the edges and stuff because that's part of the appeal of the cartoon paint job.
Loose.
It's very, very loose, and there's obviously a TRF logo on the front as well, and a couple of Hearns Racing stickers that Brett put on just before. So
I like the blue.
Yeah.
Blue's
that blue is an absolute killer blue. But
yeah,
as I said to you earlier, because it's really super thin, so there's about 20 coats of it to get it to that stage.
It's a super fine flick.
I was swearing at it quite a bit.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
That's quite impressive.
The whole thing was just meant to be a very loose interpretation of the Mark Reinhardt TRF scheme, but it worked way better than I thought it would.
Looks good. And look at that. It's all fresh. There's no scratches.
Hasn't been touched.
Not yet.
So.
And where's this going to be run, you think?
It's going to be run at the bash.
You reckon?
Yep.
This is bash material?
This is absolutely bash material. Although